Welcome on board the slot Polish Airlines Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Before we depart, together with the National Museum in Warsaw, we will present the safety features and emergency equipment of our aircraft.
Hand luggage must be stowed under the seat in front of you or in one of the overhead compartments. Please be careful while opening them, as items may fall out. In case of evacuation, all your hand luggage must be left on board. For takeoff and landing, please place your seat back in the upright position. Lower the armrests, close the tray table and fold the footrest. Lot business class seats must be in their full upright and locked position. Please brighten up the windows and stow movable monitors. Please ensure that your seatbelt is correctly fastened. This is how to fasten, adjust, and open it. Your seatbelt must be fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Using lavatories is not permitted at this time. If the pressure in the cabin drops sharply, oxygen masks will automatically fall from the overhead panels. Remain seated. Take the nearest mask and place it over your nose and mouth. Secure the elastic band around your head and breathe normally. Put on your own mask first and then help others. In case of landing on water, take the life vest out of its pocket, put it over your head and wrap the longer end of the belt around your waist and buckle the end. Adjust the life vest to fit your body by tightening the belt. To inflate the life vest, pull tightly on the red toggle when standing in the doorway. If the life vest does not inflate correctly, fill it by blowing into the rubber valve. In Lot Business Class and Lot Premium Economy, you will find the life vests between the seats, while in Lot Economy Class, the life vest is located under your seat. This aircraft is equipped with 8 emergency exits, clearly marked with green symbols. There are 2 emergency exit doors at the front, 4 exit doors in the central part, and 2 emergency exit doors at the rear of the cabin. Please get to know where the emergency exits are located and be aware that the nearest exit might be behind you. All emergency exits are equipped with evacuation slides, which can be detached and used as life rafts. The emergency floor lighting and green symbols with arrows will guide you to the exits. Please take time to read the safety instruction card located in the seat pocket in front of you and follow instructions given by the cabin crew. You may use your electronic devices throughout the flight, as long as they are in flight mode. Please remember that electronic devices must be unplugged and secured in your hand luggage, seat pocket, or overhead compartment during takeoff and landing. Should you lose your electronic device, it gets stuck between the seats, its battery is damaged, hot, or produces smoke, please immediately notify a crew member. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited on board this aircraft, including the lavatories. All lavatories have been fitted with smoke detectors.
We are delighted to have you on board with us today. We wish you a pleasant flight.